Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to hide your profile picture in WhatsApp Web. This feature allows you to maintain your privacy and control who can see your profile picture. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer. Step 2. Look for the 3 dots located at the top left corner of the screen and click on them. Step 3. From the options that appear, click on Settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy. Step 5. Look for the Profile Photo option and click on it. Step 6. Check the circle next to Nobody. By following these steps, you have successfully hidden your profile picture from everyone in WhatsApp Web. This means that no one will be able to see your profile picture. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of hiding your profile picture on WhatsApp Web. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.